GoPro, an early entrant in the 360 camera game with its Fusion model, continued the momentum with the GoPro Max in October 2019. However, the brand seemed to take a pause in 360 innovation since then, allowing competitors like Insta360 to take the lead. The good news is that GoPro has broken its silence and confirmed the upcoming release of a Max successor. According to GoPro, the wait will be justified, hinting at an exciting new addition to the lineup. So let's dive into what we know about this eagerly anticipated release.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
During the unveiling of the GoPro Hero 12 Black, GoPro did not just stop at showcasing its latest product. In response to persistent inquiries about the successor to the GoPro Max, company founder and CEO Nick Woodman provided a reassuring update. When pressed about the timeline for the Max's successor, Woodman stated, "Oh yeah, I can confirm. We get this question a lot and there's an enormous interest in the next version of Max, and what I can confirm today is that it's in the works and it'll be worth the wait." As of now, the sole glimpse into potential details about the GoPro Max 2 comes from a leaked patent application. While the document is intricate and challenging to decipher, there are indications of a noteworthy feature, possibly an AI-driven auto-framing capability. This function seems designed to identify the most compelling scene within a 360 video and intelligently frame it as a flat video. Strikingly similar to features found in cameras like the Insta360 X3, this suggests an exciting direction for GoPro's upcoming offering. According to the details within the application, the described functionality involves a video capturing a scene with a wide field of view. The patent suggests a punch-out feature for framing this captured scene, with the framing determination influenced by various factors. These factors include the type of scene captured, the movement of the device recording the video, and the motion of objects within the scene. In simpler terms, it's a system that tailors the framing of the video based on the context and dynamics of what's being recorded. When it comes to features, our focus leans heavily towards software enhancements. The GoPro Max unfortunately has lagged in this department, especially when compared to the cutting-edge software prowess of competitors like Insta360. Our wish list includes advancements such as AI-driven subject tracking, an improved desktop editing experience, and the infusion of more playful and engaging effects. These software-centric upgrades would undoubtedly elevate the GoPro Max to meet the evolving expectation of users. Now, all signs point towards GoPro gearing up for a significant software upgrade. In conjunction with the Hero 12 Black launch, the company revealed the anticipated return of GoPro Quick as a desktop application. This announcement holds immense promise, not only delighting dedicated GoPro users but also positioning itself as a crucial move to enhance competitiveness against Insta360's feature-rich offerings. The revival of GoPro Quick as a desktop application signifies a strategic step to fortify its standing in the upcoming 360 camera market. While the specifics of the upcoming GoPro Max successor specifications remain elusive, our wish list is robust. At the forefront is the desire for a higher resolution 360 camera, a notable leap from the previous 5.6K standard dating back to the GoPro Fusion era. The aspiration is clear: to break free from the constraints and enable the export of reframed 16:9 video at resolutions surpassing the conventional 1080p. This, we believe, would inject a much-needed boost into the 360 camera market, aligning with the evolving demands of content creators. Another significant enhancement on our wish list involves a shift to larger sensors, considering the GoPro Max currently relies on a relatively compact 1x2.3-inch sensor. While we're not anticipating the sizable 1-inch sensors featured in the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition, a transition to 1x1.7-inch or a similar size could markedly improve low-light performance, delivering cleaner imagery in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, we're eager to see strides in slow-mo capabilities, an area where the GoPro Max has lagged behind its competitors. While no 360 camera has truly excelled in slow motion, the Insta360 X3 manages 4K at 120 FPS in its bullet time mode, a feature the Max unfortunately lacks. Introducing a 5.6K at 60 FPS recording mode would be a remarkable addition, elevating the GoPro Max's versatility, specifically in capturing dynamic moments with enhanced detail. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.